Hello there. Welcome to this beautiful meditation where we are going to be activating the asking and receiving energy within you. It's also called the lineage breaking activation. Let the silence end with you. As you listen to the music, gently close your eyes. Sit in a place that is distraction free. Listen to this audio with headphones on and allow yourself to completely ease and build trust and safety in this process. Once you're settled in a space that's relaxing and comforting, gently close your eyes. Place one hand on your womb and the other in the middle of your chest and feel your breathing. As you inhale and exhale, breathe in and breathe out. Gentle inhalations and gentle exhalations. With every breath, drop from your mind into your body, from the stories into your sensation. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax and release. Let your spine rise like a flame, remembering its height. You are not just a woman. You are the culmination of thousands of women who never asked, whose needs were silenced, whose worth was measured in sacrifice. But you are the turning point, the breath where the pattern breaks. There is a lie, a huge lie you've been fed, that for a woman, asking is selfish, that receiving more makes you less spiritual, that money must be earned through suffering, through hardship, that being a good woman means disappearing for others, sacrificing for others. But here's the truth that we are here to embody. Asking is sacred. Receiving is revolutionary. And money, when claimed with power, is a force of divine alignment. Every time you shrink your price, explain your worth, or silence your desire, you whisper to the universe, I'm still trying to earn it. But what if you didn't have to earn it? What if you simply had to become available to receive it? Bring your focus to your womb, to your sacral chakra energy. Feel her pulse. She is not weak. She is the source of life. She is the original altar, the place from which all wealth is born. Now gently repeat after me. My womb is not a burden. My womb is a blessing. I birth wealth, truth, and transformation. I release the ancestral silence. I claim my divine right to ask, to charge, to receive. I am not here to convince. I am here to collapse illusions by embodying the opposite. Repeat with me once more. My womb is not a burden. My womb is a blessing. I birth wealth, truth, and transformation. I release the ancestral silence. I claim my divine right to ask, to charge, to receive. I am not here to convince. I am here to collapse illusions by embodying the opposite. Once more, my womb is not a burden. My womb is a blessing. I birth wealth, truth, and transformation. I release the ancestral silence. I claim my divine right to ask, to charge, to receive. I am not here to convince. I am here to collapse illusions by embodying the opposite. Now, very gently ask yourself. You can ask yourself silently or aloud. Where have I been shrinking my voice? Where have I been afraid to ask? What part of me still believes I must suffer to be chosen? Where have I been shrinking my voice? Where have I been afraid to ask? What part of me still believes I must suffer to be chosen? Let answers surface. They are not weakness, they are your keys. Because the part of you that is afraid to receive is the same part that was trained to disappear. But now she's awakening, and you are no longer available for being half chosen, half heard, or half paid. Now visualize this. There is a line of women behind you. All of them are your ancestors, the mothers who came before you. Their eyes meet yours, and one by one they nod. Because you did what they could not. You asked, you received, and by doing so, you broke the curse. Say out loud, it ends with me. I am the wealth my lineage prayed for. I will not disappear again. I will rise, I will ask, and I will receive in full. Gently breathe in and breathe out. Breathe into your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers, feel your feet. Bring your awareness back to this room, this moment. This version of you who has remembered her power. You are not here to negotiate your worth. You are here to walk as the answer to prayers your lineage never spoke out loud. You asked, and the world has no choice but to now rise and respond. You are the beginning, the resurrection, the full embodiment of divine wealth. Hi, everyone. I'm Gauravi Jadhav, and I hope you enjoyed this powerful activation and you did it along with me. Allowed yourself to ask to receive in power, in your full presence, in your body. Along with this audio, you will also find that I have shared a short PDF which will help you to reflect and build on your power further. Practice it for your self purpose, or you can come back to this audio anytime you would like. Thank you so much.